How to change Spotify country location. Well, firstly, you should know that you cannot directly change the country or the location from Spotify app itself. So what you gotta do is move into any of the web browser and then head over to the site spotify.com. Now simply enter the login credential of your Spotify account and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, now click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the option of Edit Personal Information. Click on it. Once you're in this page, scroll down and you'll see the option of country or region. Over here, you cannot change it right now. If you really want to change, then tap on Changing your country or region. Wait for a while for it to load. So in this page, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily change the country or the region. So in order for you to change the country or the region, you need to change your payment method. Make sure to enter the payment method that was issued in your new country or region, and after that, the country will be changed. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.